Hi everyone, Dr. David Culla here. I specialize in a condition called costochondritis, and I will tell you this. If you have acid reflux and GERD, maybe silent reflux, you may want to consider that the hiatal hernia you probably have is what's causing your chest pain, especially if your chest pain is lower or gets worse after you eat, things like that, signs like that, right? So it's something that we see a lot. So I specialize in hiatal hernia correction with a hiatal hernia maneuver, and then I also created or patented this, the Reflux Shield, which pulls the stomach down if you have acid reflux and GERD. And sometimes that alone will clear up your or what you think is costochondritis, right? So there's getting that proper diagnosis. Then there's people with costochondritis that don't necessarily have costochondritis. Maybe they have a slipped rib or intercostal rib pain, pinched nerves in between the ribs. So we just recently had a case of that. A young lady thought she had costochondritis, and she didn't have that. So, and costochondritis is more widespread inflammation across the chest. Please watch my videos on costochondritis, and the first one is my favorite, the best, the 4 phases. Don't put the cart before the horse, meaning don't put phase 3 before phase 1. Really important with costochondritis. And I have some really, really severe cases, people on disability, people that can't even raise their arm. And I can tell you right now, 2 cases off the top of my head. I want to bring them on. We'll do a video with them. They're doing so much better. Stay the course. It takes time. If you have severe costochondritis, it takes time, but you need the proper help. And you got to get rid of that inflammation first, and cold laser is a really good option for you. Not just any laser on Amazon, but a real therapeutic laser. So if you guys have any questions, just check out my costochondritis playlist. You're going to see tons of stuff on there. A lot of information, exercises, stretches. I hope that helps you guys. Thanks for tuning in. And if you have costochondritis, there is hope. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.